You're recording, yes? We're going to infect one person in the room. We're going to infect one person in the room. I'm going to drag this over with me. Everything contained on the cart. Random number generator. Okay, first I'm going to select one person. Everybody stand up. If you stand up, you're healthy. When I infect you, you have to sit down because you have the flu virus.
I volunteered.
No, you can't volunteer. It has to be random selection. Just like flu. Sacrifice yourself. Okay, number 26. Sit down. We have one sick person. I'm sorry. It breaks my heart. So here's the deal. Here's the deal. I'm going to keep track of iterations of this virus. So X is going to be the number of days, and Y is going to be healthy people. Now here's the way it's going to work. At the beginning, we were all healthy. We're all healthy in the beginning. What's going to happen is, you know what? Let's do number infected. Let's do number infected. That's even better. I like that better. Keep track of those with the sickness. So 0, 0 on the first day, or the beginning of it. The flu virus is going to try to go out and make somebody else sick. So on day 1, we got one person infected. Now, we're going to have that person infect person number 8.
Damn it.
Sorry, Sheldon. So on day 2, we now have 2 people infected. Now the trick is, each of those is going to go try to infect someone else. You see how it's exponential? Ish. Ish, yes? Ish. So what I'm going to do now is I've got to do random 1 through 28, comma 2. So it's going to pick 2 people that are going to now be sickened. I'm sorry, 21 and 11, you guys are now sick. Which means after day 3, I now have 8 people sick. No, 4 people. I'm getting ahead of myself. 4 people. I'm predicting the next one should be 8, yes? Because now those 4 people are sick. And we're assuming that once you have this, you're going to stay sick for a while. We're assuming that the flu lives out the extent of this experiment. That may or may not be true, but in this one we're going to make it true. Now I've got to select 4 people. Now we might start getting repeats here. If your number's already been called, if you guys are already sitting down, just stay seated. That means it tried to get somebody sick but couldn't. Fair? All right, 18, 28, 27, 21. You're all sick. How many more did I lose right then? How many are sitting down right now? I think I lost 3 more, yes? So now we're at 4, comma 7. Notice how it didn't go to 8. It couldn't quite get to 8. It tried, but going back, it couldn't get that person. That's an environmental constraint. It can't grow purely exponentially, okay? Now we got 7 people sick, yes? Sit down 20, sit down 6, sit down 5, sit down 15, sit down 14, sit down 24, and sit down 3. All right, now it's probably easier to count who's still standing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 are standing, that means 14 are sick. Right? Doubled. Still trying to act exponentially, right? It's still trying to act exponentially. It's still trying to, even though it lost the 7 here, it's still trying to act exponentially. So now I got 14 people sick. I'm going to generate 14 random numbers because each of you sickies is going to try to make a sickie. Sit down, 5, 16, 6, 20, 28, 14, 23, 13, 24, 7, 18, 5, 20, 15. How many? Did we get some people sitting down? Good, Michael's on his way. Now, it tried, but because half of you were sick and half of you were healthy, it couldn't quite get everybody. So we got 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means we have 18 sick, yes? All right, 18 sick people trying to make other people sick. Please sit down. 20, 17. Notice we're getting some repeated numbers here. 20, 17, 13, 14, 19, 12, 27, 7, 3, 27, 11, 10, 20, 16, 23, 9, 18, and 9. Oh.
I got sick twice.
Only 3 people healthy. You got sick twice. Can't catch a break, Tony.
I know.
So now,
4.
We have 4. We have 4.
we have 4. So that's 24 people sick, yes? We're going to come get you 4. We're coming for you. We're coming for you. 24. Sit down. 23. 17. 16. 26, 26, 2, 7, 8, sorry, 9, oh, 7, 8, 9 in a row, that's kind of cute. 25, 12, 13, 4, 25, 6, 8, 1, 10, sorry, 13, 18, 24, 14, 26, 22. Got them all. Got them all. Got them all in 8 days. Got them all in 8 days. That is horrible. Now we have time. Graph that data. Graph that data. Take a look at that data. And see if you can see how it's kind of bastardized exponential data. See if you can see how it's bastardized exponential data. Yeah. And I like it because honestly it's more realistic.